my dear 4th class children. Welcome back to once again to our social class. A very good morning to each and everyone. Children, do you know what is our topic today? As we complete our chapter 1 water successfully, so we are entering to the second chapter. So what is our second chapter? Any guess? So what you seeing on the board? Map. So which map it is? Indian map. Okay, Indian map. Okay, in the second chapter we are discussing about the states of the Indian map, states of the country and the physical features of our country. So before that you should know few facts about our country. Few facts about our country. Do you know, children, what is the name of our country? Our country's name is India. Our country's name is India. You can call India Hindustan and Bharat. Hindustan and Bharat. Okay. So what is the capital of India? Any guess? What is the capital of India? Okay, the capital of India is New Delhi. New Delhi. Children, do you know where our country is situated? Do you know in which continent our country is situated? Okay, you know the continents. Okay, so our country is situated in Asian continent. Asian continent, that too in the southern part of the Asian continent. So our country is located in south part of the Asian continent. Okay, children. Then one more thing. So what are the water bodies surrounded by our country? So what are our water bodies? See, the first is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So in the east, Bay of Bengal, west Arabian Sea, in the south Indian Ocean. So one more thing, our country is the 7th largest country in the world. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world. Children, do you know few facts about our country? So let us discuss first, then we enter into our lesson. So what is our flag, children? Do you know how our flag looks? Our flag has 3 colors, no? The first one is saffron, then follows white, then follows green. So saffron is indicated to courage and the white is indicated to the peace and the green is indicated to the prosperity. Do you know, children, in the middle you have the one big circle. What is that circle? What you call that circle? That circle is nothing but it is Ashoka Chakra. It is Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes in it. With 24 spokes in it. So children, do you know who wrote our national anthem Jana Gana Mana? So Jana Gana Mana is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. It is our national anthem. Then we move on to Vande Mataram. So Vande Mataram is what? Vande Mataram is our national song. Every country has their song, animals, birds, everything. So what is our national song? National song is Vande Mataram. So who written the Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Children, do you know what is our national animal? So the national animal is tiger. The national animal is tiger. And what is the national bird? Any guess? So the national animal bird is peacock. Then we move on to the national currency. What is the symbol of national currency? So rupee, no? They wrote like this. This is called the currency symbol of our nation. Nation is nothing but country. So what is the national flower? The national flower is lotus. The national game is hockey. And do you know what is our national fruit, children? The national fruit is mango. The national fruit is mango. Then what is our national tree? Do you know what is our national tree? From the LKG you are learning about our country. So you should be familiar with all these things. Then only we can move, we can learn more about our country. Understood? So the national tree is banyan tree. The national tree is banyan tree. So what is our national river? So India has many rivers, no? Our country has many rivers. So what is our national river? Our national river is Ganga. Ganga is the largest river. So Ganga is the largest river. So it is called our national river. Okay. See, these are the few facts about our country. You should know, each and every child should know about our country. So what is our national emblem? What is our national song? National emblem is what, children? 3 or 4 lions standing, no? That is called the national emblem. What is there in national emblem? What was written in the national emblem? Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. So what is our national bird? What is our national fruit? What is our national flower? What is our national river? What is our national currency symbol? Everything you should know. That's why I am telling in this video about our country. Then in the next class we learn about our country. What are the physical features of our country? How many states are there in our country? So what is the capital cities of our country? Which is the largest state? Which is the smallest state? Physical features of the country we are going to learn. So before that I want to tell you about our country. So just I explain, what is our country, where it is located. So one more time I am explaining you about our country. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country in the world. It is situated in Asian continent, in the southern part of the Asian continent. Understood? Then in the next class we are going to learn about the physical features of our country. Then more interesting topics we can learn in our next videos. So I hope everyone understood about our country, what is our national emblem, fruit, animal, everything. So we write in one book. So open the video, listen carefully and take out your book and write what I am going to teach you in the video. That you should write in your book. You should remember till when you grow up about our country. It is proud to know about our country. So children, once again I hope you understand about our country. So we meet in the next class. Until, be safe and careful. Stay at home. Wear your mask when you go outside. Please sanitize yourself. So don't bother your parents. Okay children, be happy. Thank you.